Today I'm going to make fried deviled eggs. Now it's just the egg white that's fried. I'm going to batter it using panko breadcrumbs. So let's get started on Darlene's table. So I boiled the eggs. I removed the yolks. I used 6 eggs, so we're going to have a dozen halves. This is the part we're going to fry. I'm going to bread these and fry the white and then fill it with the filling. First, we're going to make the filling: Dijon mustard and mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Some pepper. A little bit of salt. The mayonnaise, of course, has a lot of salt, so we're going to go easy. And I mashed these egg yolks. I did them hard-boiled, and I mashed them with the fork. So these are farm eggs. See how yellow they are? There's all kinds of ways you can make this part. You can use pickles, pickle relish. If you used celery or onion, it'd have to be chopped very, very fine. All right, I need to test this. Certainly doesn't need any salt. All right, now I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put it in my cup. I'm going to pipe it. So here's an easy way to do it, right? Now, yep. All right, so my panko breadcrumbs, along with Parmesan, cheese, some cayenne pepper, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. I want to mix this really well. All right. This will be the final coating. All right. So I'm going to start with flour. When breading these egg whites, I try to use the wet hand, dry hand method. Make sure that you coat each egg white completely in each step. So that was wet hand, dry hand. Do this until they're all completely done. And then we'll fry them. Do like 4 at a time, maybe 5. You don't have to pipe the filling because it's pretty thick. You could just use a spoon. Been waiting for this all morning. I love that crunch. Mm. The crunch and the deviled egg filling. Oh my goodness. Mm. Make a great side. Fried deviled eggs. If you're considering doing something a little different for a side dish, well, here you go. Fried deviled eggs. They really turned out very well. Just look at them, so appealing to the eye. And as they say, you first eat with your eyes, and they taste as good as they look. You still get that traditional deviled egg taste, and that crunch of the fried egg whites adds another dimension. Now, I recommend you serve immediately once filled. They were not good cold like traditional deviled eggs. And I'm going to go ahead and admit I like traditional deviled eggs as much as I do these. I really hope you try this recipe soon and let me know what you think. So bye for now, God bless, and please come back for more goodness right here on Darlene's Table.